In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a database in Notion. Whether you're decluttering your workspace or simply getting rid of old, unnecessary data, deleting a database is straightforward once you know how. We'll walk through this step by step together, so let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your Notion workspace and locate the database you wish to delete. This could be under one of your pages or as a separate entry on your sidebar. Once you've identified the database, open it by clicking on its name. This will present you with the familiar database view where you can see all your entries laid out. At this point, take a moment to ensure that this is indeed the database you want to delete. Remember, deleting a database is a permanent action, and you could lose valuable information if you're not careful. If there's any data you might need, you could export it or create a backup before proceeding. Better safe than sorry, right? Assuming you're all set to proceed, you'll now need to exit any open entries within the database. This will allow you to access the settings easily. Direct your attention to the top right corner of your Notion window here. You'll see a three-dot menu icon. Go ahead and click on that. This will bring up a menu with various options to customize or adjust your database. Within this menu, scroll down until you see the option labeled Delete. It's important to read the prompts carefully here. Notion will usually ask for confirmation to prevent accidental deletions. Confirm your intention by clicking Delete again when prompted. And voila, your database should now be deleted. If, for any reason, the database doesn't disappear or if you encounter any issues, double-check that you've exited out of every document or entry connected to it. Sometimes, open entries can interfere with the process. Let's not forget. If at any point you're feeling unsure, it's always a good idea to create a duplicate page or back up your content. You can do this by right-clicking the page name in your sidebar and selecting Duplicate. This creates a safe copy that can be referenced or recovered if needed. That just about wraps up the process of deleting a database in Notion. It's a simple task once you get the hang of it, but always remember to proceed with caution to avoid losing important data. Being organized means not just having the right information but letting go of what's unnecessary. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more Notion tips and tricks.